Matt Squires from BAE Systems, and I'm standing in this week for Tempest Joe, who's away relaxing somewhere suitably sunny. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the cool nickname like Joe, and I am even more northern, which might be a disappointment to some of his more ardent fans, but hopefully I can be able to stand in for this week at least. So this week we've welcomed some of our key aviation trade media journalists here to our site at Warton, where we've been talking to them about some of the technologies and developments that could be integrated onto Typhoon in the future post-Centurion, which is obviously now in service in the front line with the Royal Air Force. As part of that, we've been talking about how Typhoon will continue to control the battle space in what is an increasingly data and information-driven connected future environment. So we've been talking about some of the information and communication systems that we're developing here at Warton. We've been talking about some of our applications, Acceptor, which is a real game-changing mission planning system, amalgamating masses of data and allowing the operator to work with the pilot on the front line to continue to reshape and control the battle space. Most importantly, of course, we've been discussing how all of these concepts and technologies and developments will eventually spiral into a future combat air system. And as part of that, we thought we'd talk to a couple of the journalists who come along today to get their views on the work we're doing and to get their views on the journey that we're going on future combat air systems. So enjoy. So with Henry Jones from UK Defence Journal, and Henry, we've heard a lot today about enhancements to Typhoon. We've heard a lot about the importance of data and information in that future environment. And of course, we've heard a lot about our FCAS journey and our role in Team Tempest and the technologies that are sitting around that. What's your view on what you've heard today?
It's a really interesting situation to be in. It's a side of procurement and development that we don't really often get to see. And I've been incredibly impressed, actually, today, particularly with Tempest stepping into that room and you've got the full-size model of what Tempest could potentially look like. And that's hugely impressive, and it's really great to see this side of procurement and how development is changing for decades, and how sort of lessons have been learned in the past and how that's being taken on board, and actually sort of BAE Systems as a company, for us to look in at that, it really seems like BAE are sort of the forefront of this development. And we talk a lot about this in media about sort of decline of UK manufacturing, and I've seen absolutely none of that today. I've seen huge amount of development, huge amounts of innovation, and some really impressive stuff. Particularly in terms of cockpit development, which will be relevant to Tempest, how Typhoon can be a test bed for that. And yeah, it's been a really impressive day and really encouraging.
And from your side of things, from the kind of media side, do you get a tangible sense of that excitement around the start of something new, the start of potentially another evolution in combat air for the UK? Does that come across to you?
Yeah, so we're sort of only in the early stages of our big new thing currently, the F-35, and already we're looking further to the future. We're looking out to the operating environment 2040, and 2040 feels like a long time away, but it's not. It's a blink, and so it's really encouraging that we are looking that far afield. And yeah, there is this excitement. There is this sort of, we are gaining momentum. And having been part of a sort of US-led program in the F-35 for a UK program, Team Tempest, to be sort of taking the lead with all this innovation is really encouraging.
Thanks very much.
Cheers.
So we're now with Tony Osborne, who's the London Bureau Chief of Aviation Week. Tony, thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Pleasure.
Just wanted to get your view on what you've heard today, what you've been able to report.
It's quite exciting, really. I mean, a few weeks ago we were at RIAT hearing from sort of the RAF chiefs, and it's really interesting to now get the industry point of view, given that BAE Systems will likely lead such a project. I think the most intriguing thing for me is seeing how sort of Typhoon will merge into Tempest, but also how Tempest technologies will merge back into Typhoon, and then how this fascinating aeroplane will be built and sort of the factory of the future. So yeah, no, it's been an exciting day, and it's exciting to see a new British aircraft fighter project.
And on that front, I mean, you've been in this world for a while. You've covered aviation matters for quite some time. I mean, does this idea of a sort of new dawn and excitement around this project come across to you from your perspective?
I must be aging quite well. No, I think it is an exciting project. I think it will certainly capture the imagination as long as it goes ahead and gets all the political backing and so on. I think Eurofighter was quite an inspiring project. I think for a lot of people. I think this could do the same.
Thanks very much.